Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mona Heights Primary from Kingston up against St. Catherine Preparatory from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. Now earlier we had the coin toss and St. Catherine Prep won and decided to go first. So we'll begin with St. Catherine Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. St. Catherine, what did God take from Adam to create the first woman?
A rib.
Correct. Mona Heights, what was the name of the garden in which God placed Adam and Eve?
Eden. Eden.
Correct. Science. St. Catherine, what type of joint is found in the fingers and toes in humans?
Saddle joint. Saddle joint. Saddle joint. Saddle joint.
Incorrect. It's hinge joints. Mona Heights, what type of joint is found at the hips in humans?
Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. St. Catherine, the JTA is a union representing teachers locally. What does the JTA stand for?
Jamaica Teachers Association. Jamaica Teachers Association.
Correct. Mona Heights, the NAJ is a union representing nurses locally. What does the NAJ stand for?
Nurses Association Jamaica. Nurses Association of Jamaica.
Correct. English language. St. Catherine, spell magnificent.
Magnificent.
Correct. Mona Heights, spell reluctant.
Reluctant.
Correct. Television. St. Catherine, Merida is the daughter of a Scottish king in which animated movie?
Guess an animated movie. We don't. Guess an animated movie. Princess and the Frog. Just guess it.
Princess and the Frog.
Incorrect. Brave is the answer. Mona Heights, Pumbaa and Timon are characters from which animated movie?
The Lion King. The Lion King.
That is correct, guys. Don't need to shout. General knowledge. St. Catherine, give a 6-letter word starting with H for someone who lives alone away from everyone in society.
Homeless.
Question passes to Mona Heights. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's hermit. Still with you, Mona Heights. Give a 5-letter word starting with N for someone who travels from place to place without a permanent home.
Nomad. Nomad.
Correct. Social studies. St. Catherine, what is the most easterly island in the Caribbean?
Barbados.
Barbados. Barbados.
Correct. Mona Heights, what is the most southerly island in the Caribbean?
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Music. St. Catherine, what symbol tells the player of an instrument to sound a pitch half a tone lower than the written note?
What's a low double?
Question passes to Mona Heights. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's a flat. Still with you, Mona Heights. What sign is used to cancel a flat or sharp from either a preceding note or the key signature?
Treble clef. Treble clef.
Incorrect. It's a natural. We move on to mathematics. St. Catherine, a woman braids her hair from 0815 hours to 1335 hours. How long does the braiding take? Would you like to try, Mona Heights?
No, miss.
It's 5 hours, 20 minutes. Still with you, Mona Heights. A boy watches television from 245 hours to 245 hours. How long does he spend watching television?
8 hours. 8 hours. 8 hours.
Incorrect, it's 6 hours. And that bell ends the first section with our scores showing Mona Heights Primary on, waiting for the scores, 7, and St. Catherine Prep on 4. Please stay with us. We take our first break. We'll be right back after these messages.